History quiz on YouTube and Facebook. You guys.
Yes.
Oh, thanks for coming into my personal space.
Sorry.
Oh, well, actually, we're here to talk about the Beatles today because it was on this day in 1965 that Queen Elizabeth attended the world premiere of the classic movie Help! With the exclamation point.
Really?
Now, in the key scene in the movie, the Fab Four walks into a pub. Ringo can't pick up his drink. George accidentally spills it, which opens a trap door to a cellar where a tiger is waiting for him.
Oh.
I mean, it was all very realistic.
They ripped off the monkeys.
Right. Of course, once they're down in the cellar, they're told they have to sing to the tiger to tame it. That's how the whole musical part of it goes.
Got it.
Anyway, one of England's top movie critics said that only one of the four of the Fab Four should have really ever even been acting. Was that John, Paul, George, or Ringo?
I know this.
Okay, you do?
John,
Okay.
Ringo!
I got a Ringo.
I believe it was John.
I got a John, and the answer I was looking for was George.
George!
I know, you guys.
Why is Ron yelling at us?
You know the other thing? Now, here's the real travesty. You know how many Oscars for this thing?
None.
0.
Is that right?
I know.
I thought we were here to talk about our matching suits. Oh yeah, I tell you something. I hope you'll understand when I say that something.